Hello everyone, my name is Adnan Bearingwala. I'm a director at Luna Technologies and Yasaka Automation Pvt Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We have developed and integrated a product called Expert Welding. Our idea is to make welding idiot proof, and the whole experience of welding should be very easy, and the adaptability should be easy. What are the advantages over here is, in case if there's an error in the manufacturing or in the laser cutting of the product, this product here with the help of a laser scanning system can adjust the error. Another advantage is you don't need to program it. It can be programmed using the CAD file. At Yasaka Automation Pvt Limited, what we've done is we've tried to show a complete range of all robots under one roof. These include welding robots, they include pick and place robots, they include cobots, they include injection molding robots, they include AMRs. Our idea is to make sure that the ROI is recovered very fast so that most of the customers can utilize our products and they can make manufacturing easier, more efficient.